When you understand how your cloud costs are being used, you can make more informed decisions on how to allocate and manage those costs. But even with proactive cost management, surprises can still happen if you discover anomalous costs and usage patterns. Your ability to detect, analyze, and quickly resolve unexpected costs can help minimize the impact on your budget and operations. Microsoft Cost Management includes several tools to help set up thresholds and rules to ensure the timely detection of out-of-scope changes in your cloud costs. Start with setting up anomaly detection in cost analysis to help identify any atypical usage patterns based on your cost and usage trends. You can manually find unexpected costs with customizable views in cost analysis using filters. The anomaly detection model uses historical usage to identify anomalies. You can subscribe to anomaly alerts to automatically get notified when an anomalous usage change is detected, with a subscription scope email displaying the underlying resource groups that contributed to the anomalous behavior. Alerts can also be set up for your Azure Reserved Instances usage to receive email notifications, so you can take remedial action when your reservations have low utilization. Use Smart Views in cost analysis to view your anomaly insights that were automatically detected for each subscription. To drill into the underlying data for something that has changed, select the Insight link. You can also create custom views for anomalous usage detection, such as unused costs from Azure Reserved Instances and savings plans that could point to further optimization for specific workloads. For quick identification and analysis of anomalies in your cloud spend, try the AI-powered Copilot in Cost Management, available in preview on the Azure portal. Optimizing your cloud spending with Azure becomes much easier when you streamline your anomaly management processes with the automated alerts, reports, and analysis in Microsoft Cost Management. Learn more about using FinOps best practices for managing anomalies in your resource usage at aka.ms/FinOps/solutions.